A Netherlands-built trailer stretches about 45 feet long, 8.44 feet wide, and over 13 feet tall, offering roughly 3,285 cubic feet of cargo space. It rides on 3 axles built to handle around 59,500 pounds, with the front fifth wheel connection supporting up to 39,700 pounds. The frame is designed without a separate subframe, which helps keep overall weight down. Depending on configuration, the trailer itself weighs about 16,200 pounds. The floor uses aluminum slats ranging from 1/3 inch to nearly 1 inch thick. And instead of tipping to unload, it relies on a hydraulic moving floor system. These slats shift back and forth in a timed sequence, gently pushing cargo toward the rear while the trailer stays level. That means unloading can happen in tight spaces or uneven areas where raising a trailer just isn't practical. The frame includes long, solid aluminum sections with no welds in critical stress points, preventing weak spots. In the extreme model, the trailer adds a steel floor plus extra reinforcement at the front and back. There's also a fold-away rear light bar designed to stay out of harm's way during loading and unloading. For versions with side entry, such as the EXSE, nearly the entire side opens about 42 feet of clear access. That's perfect for pallets, oversized loads, or awkwardly shaped cargo. Some variants even feature roofs that lift or roll back depending on the job. Everyone deserves the freedom to travel by car, no matter their physical abilities. The American company ATC is fully committed to this belief, transforming well-known vehicles so they can be easily accessed by wheelchair users. They redesign the body, adjust key mechanisms, and rework the interior to make everything functional and safe. In place of a standard driver's seat, a lift-powered wheelchair platform lowers all the way to the ground, making entry smooth and dignified. These wheelchair truck conversions offer more power, more space, and far more independence, allowing users to travel with comfort and confidence. Whether you're searching for a reliable, secure solution for yourself or for someone you love, ATC's approach aims to make every journey possible. When you blend modern tech, a trailer, and a garage, you end up with something surprisingly remarkable. It's a flexible solution suited for individual users and big companies alike. It can become anything: an auto repair bay, a mobile conference room, or a compact workspace for stationary setups or truck-mounted systems. One version expands to 16 feet wide when opened, making it perfect for a pop-up shop. Ettore is focused on reshaping the mobile storage, automotive, and racing industries with its cutting-edge expandable units. Their mission is to boost productivity, adaptability, and profitability for professionals and enthusiasts by offering high-quality, compact, and versatile structures. Their innovative design lets these units carry the same load and travel capacity as standard trucks of similar size, thanks to all expandable sections folding neatly under the ceiling during transit. The Great Day steps come in 2 practical sizes, built to make climbing into tall vehicles feel easier and a whole lot safer. Whether you're stepping up into a pickup, an SUV, or a rugged off-road build, these steps turn that awkward climb into a smooth, confident motion. Both versions use strong aircraft-grade aluminum, keeping them tough without weighing you down. The smaller model comes in at about 7 kilograms and supports up to 136 kilograms. The larger version weighs roughly 13 kilograms and carries up to 181 kilograms. Each step includes a grippy, slip-resistant surface to keep your footing secure, even when the weather turns rough. The bigger model goes a step further, adding sturdy side handles for extra balance and a wider 76 centimeter tread, compared to the smaller model's 50 centimeters. The smaller model is priced around $281, while the larger one, with its added handles and higher capacity, comes in at about $422. That price difference mostly reflects the upgraded support and improved load rating. Covering or uncovering a trailer roof doesn't need to be a struggle anymore. Not with this electric roof sheeting system designed for moving floor trailers. Instead of wrestling with heavy tarps or climbing up to tighten straps, everything works with a simple press of a button. It runs on a 24-volt power connection from the trailer, while a built-in control unit manages the movement and regulates how much power the system uses. The sheet rolls in and out along a strong central shaft, completing the whole cycle in about 30 seconds. One feature that really stands out is the automatic tightening. Once the sheet closes, the system applies a firm twist over 340 Newton meters, something nearly impossible to match by hand. A pulley and spring mechanism keeps the sheet stable and helps it retract smoothly every time. When fully closed, rubber seals and edge strips press firmly into place, blocking out water and keeping the inside protected. And thanks to the remote control, you can operate the whole system safely from the ground. If you haul building materials in a pickup truck, this clever upgrade from the American company Load Handler is going to feel like a lifesaver. Instead of struggling to shovel out rocks, sand, mulch, or other heavy supplies, they've designed a roll-up tarp system that attaches to the back of your truck. You load everything right onto the tarp, and when it's time to unload, you simply roll it back up and the entire load slides out. No climbing in, no lifting, no aching back. With this smart tailgate-mounted unloader, your pickup basically transforms into a mini dump truck. Movable metal brackets secure to the tailgate without welding, cutting, or drilling, making installation quick and beginner-friendly. Just fill the drag sheet with soil, mulch, firewood, feed whatever you're hauling, and use the crank system with its strong roller bar to empty the entire bed in under 30 seconds. It cuts down on effort, saves time, and seriously reduces back pain. The system installs by rolling out the tarp to cover the bed and hooking it to the top of the tailgate. When the truck is fully loaded, turn the unloading handle and you're ready to clear it out. The load handler comes in 3 sizes. The largest supports up to 3,000 pounds, while the smaller versions handle up to 2,200 pounds. Transform your truck bed in just moments with a lift system that adds space without changing your truck permanently. Topper lift raises your topper at the push of a button, giving you room for hauling, camping, or job site work whenever you need it. It's an electric setup built for most full-size and mid-size pickups with bed lengths between 5 and 8 feet. The whole motion up or down takes around 30 seconds, a wired switch, cable ties, and all required parts come included, so setup is simple. Pricing starts at $1,480. Some transport systems handle everyday cargo, but this British setup is built for the loads most vehicles wouldn't dare to touch. It starts with ultra-low trailers that ride barely over 30 inches off the ground. These platforms can stretch past 53 feet and haul extremely heavy cargo, with each axle taking on more than 26,000 pounds. Air suspension and reinforced mounting points keep everything steady and secure, even on tough routes. The cranes in this system match that power. One can lift more than 66,000 pounds with the arm pulled in, and nearly 19,000 pounds even when fully extended. For the truly massive loads, a modular girder bridge is used capable of carrying up to 550 tons. It can change shape depending on the cargo, adjusting its height by over 6 feet and widening up to 15 feet to hold oversized loads safely. The team at Rossminster takes everyday vehicles and turns them into striking, fully customized machines. A perfect example is the Ford F-350, which begins life as a regular pickup and ends up transformed into a complete home on wheels. That evolution creates the Rossmonster Baja, an adventure-ready rig built for people who crave luxury even far beyond campgrounds or city limits. There are 2 versions of this off-grid camper, the Baja Trail and the Baja Plus, both made for travelers who want to push past the pavement and stay out there in comfort. Inside, a pop-up roof delivers 78 inches of standing room. Each model includes a queen bed, plus a convertible dinette sleeping, 4 in the Trail and up to 6 in the Plus. Kitchens come with Koran countertops, an induction cooktop, a stainless steel sink, and large-capacity refrigerators. Bathroom layouts vary between a full wet bath or a folding shower paired with a composting toilet. Extra comforts include heated floors, multiple AC units, blackout shades, and exterior upgrades such as Molly panels, a Fama awning, Max Trax table, and a 50-inch light bar. A pickup gear list just wouldn't feel complete without something made for Jeep lovers. For Wrangler owners, XG Cargo has built a clever collection of storage solutions designed to keep everything organized without wasting an inch of space. Take the Gamma sports bar bags, for example. These compact roll bar bags can hold up to 5.44 kilograms each, fitting both hardtop and soft-top Wranglers. They're ideal for essentials tools. Recovery straps, a first aid kit, and they stay secure even when the trail gets rough. Made from tough, water-resistant fabric, the system includes 6 rows of Molly webbing for extra gear, durable side panels to stop pets from climbing into the front seats, a removable mesh window, and plenty of pockets for water bottles and small items. It weighs about 5 pounds and mounts easily using factory attachment points. Inside the cabin, the Clean Can works as a simple open-top bin for snacks, sunscreen, or even trash. It's easy to move, easy to clean, and easy to place wherever you need it. Measuring 40 inches wide, 21 inches high, and 48 inches deep, it's made from waterproof material with sealed seams and a rigid frame. Every product is built to maximize space and keep your Jeep neat and ready for adventure. One Gamma bag is priced at $190. Companies keep pushing their truck bed storage systems to new levels, each one trying to offer something tougher, smarter, and more convenient. One system that really stands out is the decked drawer setup built to handle nearly any weather you throw at it. You can literally wash your bike on top of it, and everything inside stays dry. The drawers glide smoothly on sealed urethane wheels with steel ball bearings, even when they're carrying a full load. Gasket seals along the edges block dust and water, keeping the interior clean and protected. Depending on the truck model, the whole system weighs between 200 and 220 pounds. Each drawer extends up to 72 inches and carries up to 200 pounds, while the top platform is strong enough to hold up to 2,000 pounds, perfect for pallets, heavy gear, or even an ATV. The whole setup is priced at $1,500. Some pickups leave the pavement behind and head straight into the dirt to help farmers keep their work moving. And for those long, exhausting days in the field, the C5 Bale bed is built to keep everything simple, steady, and reliable. Created for ranchers and farmers who constantly lift, move, and unroll round hay bales. This setup uses an electric over hydraulic system that runs about 12% faster than typical designs. Powered through a 350 amp fuse, each hydraulic line is equipped with check valves that stop the arms from drifting during heavy hauls. Instead of complicated controls, synchronized phasing cylinders move both arms together, making operation smoother, more predictable, and easier on busy hands. On uneven terrain, the arms adjust naturally, helping spread hay more evenly and cutting down on waste. The bed itself is built from steel with a 1/8-inch tread plate floor. Covered in a tough urethane primer and paint to withstand years of harsh work, a bent tube headache rack adds strength, while 2 lockable toolboxes, Chandler or RK, I give you sealed, quiet, secure storage. A device called Track and Go lets ordinary cars with regular wheels instantly gain extra tracks. The maker says installation takes just 15 minutes, and once it's on, your vehicle can glide over snow-covered roads with ease. You can even leave the tracks on for short trips up to 10 miles without damaging the asphalt. This winter, Track and Go gives you what you really need: no more buying snow tires, tightening chains, or loading sandbags in your truck bed. It's built to be simple and effective. Unlike most track systems that demand major vehicle changes and long, expensive installation, just slide it into place, lock it in, and start driving. The TG4 model is made from high-strength low-alloy steel and tough aluminum 661T6. The whole system weighs 1,005 to 100 pounds and is designed for 4x4 vehicles with a maximum gross weight of 12,005 to 100 pounds, or 6 to 1,250 pounds per axle. The track tread features self-cleaning lugs and an all-terrain side pattern. It measures 136 inches long and 15 inches wide. Built from durable rubber, reinforced with Kevlar and internal composite rods. It performs reliably in temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 1 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed for speeds up to 40 miles per hour and a turning radius of 20 to 30 degrees. It can also handle side slopes of up to 25%. And the last stop is Finland, the land of, well, does anyone remember that rock band Lordi? Pause. Anyway, in Finland, as in most places, moving cargo that's too huge or too heavy for standard trucks takes real planning and serious gear. Pause. There's a Finnish specialized transport system built to handle massive loads like wind turbine blades, stretching 74 meters, tanks up to 9 meters wide, and even single pieces weighing more than 4 to 100 tons. Their trucks and trailers can be adjusted to match the exact shape and size of whatever needs moving. Before anything rolls out, the team studies the route in extreme detail, checking bridge limits, narrow roads, and anything hanging overhead. They even use 3D models and laser scanning to be sure everything fits and the path stays safe. Not too far away in Belgium, you'll find a trailer built for one job, moving unbelievably heavy. Oversized cargo like massive machines, industrial components, or construction equipment. It comes in multiple versions, with capacities ranging from 15 tons all the way to more than 1,000 tons. Its axles can rotate up to 60 degrees, allowing the trailer to slip through tight turns even with a gigantic load on board. The deck can lower to under 9 inches from the ground, creating extra clearance for tall cargo to move under bridges or through tunnels. Some models can even stretch beyond 2 to 100 feet, thanks to telescopic frames, perfect for carrying long items like wind turbine blades or steel beams. Many versions use hydraulic systems to adjust height and keep everything steady on the road. Certain models include goosenecks that can retract or detach completely, making loading and unloading much easier. In some setups, the trailer can split into sections and be rearranged to match the cargo size or road conditions. This type of equipment is often used to move generators, huge transformers, or entire sections of industrial facilities. It's engineered to meet different rules across different countries. So components like axle counts can be changed to fit local regulations. The lock and load system created by the Risk Racing team completely changed the way motorcycles are transported. Instead of using straps, they secure the bike with simple, durable clips. The whole setup is made from aluminum and is surprisingly easy to use. First, the truck, van, or trailer gets fitted with low-profile mounting plates. These plates then connect to the clips, and the built-in ratchet system lets you adjust the fit for different motorcycle sizes. Introducing the innovative mini crane, a compact, versatile tool built to lift heavy items like air conditioners to heights of up to 24 feet. Created by an experienced heating and ventilation specialist, it's engineered for reliability, practicality, and real-world performance. One of its most impressive advantages is how quickly it can be assembled or taken apart. You can set it up or break it down on your own, with no special tools or professional help. A huge relief for contractors and DIY users alike. When folded, the mini crane becomes compact enough to fit in the back of a standard pickup truck, making travel between job sites simple and stress-free. Despite its small footprint, this tough little machine can handle up to 310 pounds, a remarkable strength-to-size ratio. With multiple platform options, the crane can be customized for different lifting tasks. Whether moving heavy machinery or fragile equipment, you can choose the platform that keeps handling safe and efficient. It also features a tilting mechanism that adds extra flexibility, allowing you to maneuver and position objects precisely, even in tight or challenging spaces. The team behind Rover King had one mission in mind: turn trucks like the Jeep Gladiator and Toyota Tacoma into cozy, fully capable campers. So, what did they come up with? Rover King builds slide-in truck campers tough enough for rough trails, harsh weather, and year-round adventure. Each unit weighs between 1,000 and 1,200 pounds, built with a strong aluminum frame and insulated composite panels. The roof pops up to create extra headroom, supported by canvas sides and a solid upper shell, while the powder-coated exterior adds long-lasting protection. Inside, 2 to 3 people can sleep comfortably, thanks to a queen-size mattress above and a seating area that converts into a second bed. Storage is tucked into cabinets and under the seats, making every inch count. The compact kitchenette includes a sink, with a stove available as an upgrade, and an optional diesel heater keeps the space warm during cold nights. Power runs on a 12-volt system, with optional solar panels for extra independence, a freshwater tank, and electric pump supply running water. And buyers can choose AGM or lithium batteries to match their needs. Its base version starts at $15,400. Next comes a tarp system built for trailers that tilt backward, the kind you see on farms and construction sites. It uses sturdy sidearms with spring power to smoothly pull the tarp into place. The cover itself is made from a tough PVC mesh, designed to rest gently over the load without needing to be strapped down tight. You can choose between 2 versions, one protected by a steel housing and one open. Installation is flexible too. It can sit at the front or the back of the trailer, depending on your setup. The best part, it opens and closes in under 30 seconds, all controlled safely from the ground. No need to climb up and risk a fall. This sliding truck bed platform transforms how you access the back of your truck. No more crawling over the bed to reach items near the cab. Just slide the platform out smoothly and grab what you need right from the ground. It supports up to 3 to 100 kilograms, 660 pounds, making it strong enough for heavy loads like bricks, bags of cement, tools, or firewood. Ball-bearing rollers ensure effortless movement, even fully loaded, and 2 lock points halfway and fully extended let you position it perfectly for any task. The 7-inch dual-chrome pickup truck smokestack kit is built for drivers who want that bold, semi-truck style, and a deeper, more powerful exhaust note. Instead of sending exhaust out the back, this setup routes it upward through vertical stacks, placed right behind the cab. The kit uses a 5-inch T-pipe that narrows to 4 inches, so you only need to cut 1 hole in the truck bed.
This beast already stretches nearly 7 meters long and tips the scales at 3.2 tons. When a pickup owner approached EVS Motors, they thought, why not make it even bolder? They upgraded it with a heavy-duty bumper, a custom exhaust, flared fenders, lifted suspension, and massive 25-inch Forgiato wheels, the same brand admired by stars like 50 Cent and Michael Jordan. Extra front and rear lights, plus chrome-plated bolts and wing shackles, added a Hollywood-style touch. The only thing missing? Maybe a rooftop machine gun. Altix Tier. Not every driver wants to spend big on a roof rack, especially if it's not something they'll use every day. A few years ago, a simpler, budget-friendly option hit the market: the Altix Tier, an inflatable roof rack for your car. It's secured with special straps and takes just 5 minutes to install. Soft and flexible, it won't scratch your car or leave marks, and you can inflate it with a hand pump. It works with many different car models and can hold anything from a box or suitcase to a surfboard. The price? Around $70. Ford sold an impressive 525,000 Farad 152nd worldwide, and that's why this new product for pickup trucks is worth talking about. With such a huge market, it's no surprise the price can be steep. Some drivers spend thousands on this upgrade. The goal is to get the most out of your truck bed. A sliding platform is mounted at the base, while side containers measuring 112 by 8 cm are added for extra storage. In the top-tier model, the platform can handle up to 680 kg and extend to 241 cm. Prices start at $1,700 and the two side containers cost an additional $340.
Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.